again to our next section of our program. We'll be starting from where we stop. My name is Odichi Manuel, taking you once again in this project. Now we stop at our WordPress installation. When we have done our installation, then we are going to proceed to the next aspect. Our next part of our program today is how we can install themes and appearances into our WordPress site. But before that, let's move further. Now this is where we stop in our previous lessons. Now when we install our WordPress site, we were given two links. The first link is this one, is the first link, while this one is the second link. Now this first link, what does it mean? The first link is a link that connects to users that people are seeing. Let's take for example that let's go to somewhere special. Let's say for example now, in this aspect of now this is Facebook, right? Or let's use something different. Now you see this thing you are seeing. So this is the front end of every site. What do I mean by that? This one is the one that people are seeing, but at the back, all this content you are seeing was imputed somewhere before they begin to display at the front page you are seeing here. This one you are seeing here, it is one we say it is what? It is the front end here. Then this second one, which is the second link, is the link that you are preparing your work. That is where you add, you minus, you subtract. That is where you are building. It is when you finish building, then this one here people see. If you don't put anything here, nothing will show here. I don't know if you get me. If you don't put anything in this one here, that is I'm pointing a green arrow, this one nothing will show. So let's move further. Now let's click the first link, the second link, and then the third link, so that we know how it is. Now click the first link and then click the second link. Now we can see here now that this one is the first link, while this one is the second link. You see, the first link is here. This is the first link here, while this one is the second link from our link that we clicked from. Now what are you going to do? This link here is the one you are working on, while this one that is here is the one people are seeing. You see now that the interface are very different. It has a different interface. Now in this place here, it will contain the tools that you need in bringing up, in editing your site. All these places that I marked, I'm highlighting with a red line there, this it will contain here. When you install a WordPress site for the first time, this place will be like this. Why? They are still preparing your work. They are still preparing those things you need to launch this site. Now what you will do again, whenever you see these things, don't be scared. You have to do what? You have to go back. Again, cut it from here, cut this side, point it here and remove it. That is what you need to do. Now you remove it, then go back to the where you get the links from and click the second link again. When you click the second link, now it is going to be a different thing entirely. You see now, this interface that we were seeing something like this side, that what we saw previously was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the numbers has been erased. This, the main thing we need is what we are seeing on this box that I highlighted with red angle there. So I think this is where what we need. Now we now begin to work on them one after the other, so that the second link, which is the link that people are seeing, where people are seeing, can have a different shape. So in our next class, I'm going to begin to work on them where people are seeing, how we can change appearances, how we can do this, so that this our link here, this one will look attractive and good. So join me in our next class. Thank you.